Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2 plus 1 minus 2 multiply 2. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 multiply 2. Now 3 minus 2, 1 multiply 2. Now 1 times 2, 2. This is the incorrect answer. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS, parentheses first, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so solve again. So 2 plus 1 minus, multiply first, right? So 2 times 2, 4. Okay, now addition and subtraction from left to right. So plus first, right? So 2 plus 1, 3 minus 4, right? So 3 minus 4, 1 with sign.